Hey, Todd here. I have everything set up to start testing single-stepping the membership card kit that I built to try and figure out why the LEDs are not latching. And I just wanted to show you my setup, and I'll try to figure out what's going on tomorrow night. I've done enough for tonight. So I've got a two switches. This switch is my toggle for toggling my clock on and off, and this is my tri-state enable for the debouncing circuit that I have. And then for the debouncing circuit, I used 4044, just one of the quad latches that are in it, and my tri-state is set to enable and disable the tri-state output from first latch, and then my toggle here is set to toggle the first latch on and off. Here's the membership card itself. Right now I have a test program running on it that simply cycles the Q port on and off, so it's just a SEQ instruction followed by an REQ instruction followed by a branch back to a short branch back to 0. And in fact, here, let me show you that I've got that in here. So there is the, a little hard to see it on here, there's the 7B for the set Q, there's the 7A for the reset, there's the 3, and there's the 00 for the short branch. So when I run it, then my Q is on 1/3 of the time, and up here on my scope, this is the clock output. This is actually pin 13 of the NAND gate input of the 4093, and so this is my clock output. And in fact, if I can adjust my rate rheostat right here, and see, I can change my clock rate right there, which is nifty. I also have it set up so the second channel of my scope, okay, the second channel of my scope is hooked up to the Q line. So let me show you both of them here. And of course you can't see it, so let me change the clock down. And sure enough, here's my Q. Here's on, here's off, and here's the branch. And here are the, I think I counted 16 clock steps in each instruction. And so that's working. And then to show you that single step is working, and it screws up the, I get too much noise if I try to do this with the scope. So let me detach. No, actually, it just has a funny looking display, so let me turn this off here. Okay, and now I'm going to hook up my clock to there and turn things back on. Okay, and now if I single step, and it'll take quite a few here, then my Q should come on. There we go. So there's the on instruction being executed, and now it's going to go off again. Now quite a few more clicks to get through the branch. and back on again. Okay, turn disable, turn the tri-state, and now it runs freely there on its own. See, there's single stepping, and now here's running freely on its own because the single stepper isn't overriding it. So that's enough for me tonight.